Nestled along the shimmering shores of Lake Ohrid, the ancient city of Ohrid in North Macedonia is a living testament to history, culture, and spirituality. With origins dating back over 2 millennia, Ohrid has witnessed the rise and fall of empires, serving as a crossroads of civilizations. Its narrow cobblestone streets wind through centuries-old architecture, revealing layers of history at every turn. The city's skyline is dominated by the majestic Ohrid Fortress, a formidable structure built by the Byzantines that offers panoramic views of the lake and surrounding mountains. Ohrid is renowned for its remarkable array of religious sites, reflecting its deep spiritual heritage. The UNESCO World Heritage Site encompasses numerous churches, monasteries, and chapels, many of which boast stunning frescoes and iconography from the medieval period. The Church of Saints Clement and Pantaleimon, built in the 9th century, is particularly significant as a symbol of the city's religious and cultural identity. This monastery complex not only served as a spiritual center but also as a hub of education and literacy, especially during the Byzantine era when the Cyrillic alphabet was developed. The city's artistic legacy is equally impressive. Ohrid's monasteries and churches are adorned with intricate frescoes depicting biblical scenes, saints, and historical figures, showcasing the masterful craftsmanship of medieval artisans. These artworks provide insight into the religious thought and aesthetic sensibilities of the time, exemplifying the city's role as a cultural beacon in the Balkans. The local craftsmanship extends to traditional wood carving, pottery, and embroidery, which continue to thrive as vital expressions of Ohrid's cultural identity. Lake Ohrid itself is a natural wonder, believed to be one of Europe's oldest and deepest lakes, with an estimated age of more than 2 million years. Its pristine waters harbor a unique ecosystem, home to numerous endemic species found nowhere else on Earth. The lake's clarity and beauty have attracted travelers, writers, and artists for centuries, inspiring countless works of art and literature. The surrounding landscape, characterized by lush hills and rugged mountains, provides a stunning backdrop that enhances the city's picturesque charm. The local cuisine reflects a blend of Balkan, Mediterranean, and Ottoman influences. Freshwater fish, such as carp and trout, are staples of traditional dishes, often prepared with herbs, olive oil, and locally sourced vegetables. Visitors can savor specialties like tavs gravs, a hearty bean stew, or enjoy the renowned Ohrid trout served with lemon and herbs. The city's vibrant markets and lively cafes are perfect spots to experience the flavors and hospitality that define Ohrid's social fabric. Throughout its history, Ohrid has been a melting pot of cultures, religions, and languages. This diversity is evident in its architectural styles, cultural festivals, and the multilingual community that continues to thrive today. The city hosts numerous events throughout the year, celebrating its rich heritage through music, dance, and traditional crafts. These festivities serve as a bridge connecting past and present, fostering a sense of pride and continuity among residents and visitors alike. Education and learning have always played a vital role in Ohrid's identity. The city was home to the Ohrid Literary School, established in the 9th century, which became a center for the development of Slavic literacy and literature. This institution significantly contributed to the cultural and spiritual awakening of the Slavic peoples and helped preserve their linguistic heritage. Today, Ohrid continues to honor its educational legacy through museums, archives, and cultural centers dedicated to its history and traditions. The city's commitment to preservation is evident in its efforts to maintain its historical sites and natural environment. UNESCO's designation has helped protect Ohrid's unique landscape and cultural assets from modern development. Visitors can explore the ancient ruins, admire the well-preserved medieval architecture, and enjoy the tranquil beauty of the lake that has shaped the city's identity for centuries. Modern Ohrid seamlessly combines its historic charm with contemporary vitality. The city boasts a lively arts scene, with galleries, theaters, and music festivals that attract both locals and tourists. Its warm hospitality and welcoming atmosphere make it an ideal destination for those seeking both cultural enrichment and natural beauty. Whether strolling along the lakeside promenade, exploring ancient churches, or enjoying traditional cuisine, visitors are immersed in an authentic experience rooted in centuries of history. In essence, Ohrid is more than just a city. It is a living museum where history, nature, and culture intertwine to create a unique tapestry. Its enduring legacy as a spiritual, artistic, and educational center continues to inspire those who walk its streets and gaze upon its tranquil waters. As one of Europe's most ancient and culturally rich locations, Ohrid stands as a testament to the resilience and creativity of its people, inviting all to discover its timeless charm.